I'm a professional Gele stylist. Come to work with me today. So sometimes last year, I think around July, a makeup artist booked me for her client. And when I was done with the Gele and the styling, the client was so happy. She really loved the Gele. She was like, "This is exactly what I wanted, and you delivered." Then we exchanged contacts. She said I should make an auto Gele for her. What kind of material do you want me to make the auto Gele in? She said Ankara. I was like, Ankara? She said yes. I should use it to make bridal hair. Ankara? She said yes. At first, I wanted to reject it and say no. I only work with Ashoke and paper gele. But the DIY inside me said, okay, ma, we can do it. And then she sent the Ankara. I was lost. Don't know what to do. I was like, God, I have said I can do it. How do I go about creating an Ankara into Ace Gele style? But then, as the Odogu where I be now in this Gele time, I told myself I can do it. So I just cut out the measurements, just like I would do for my normal Ashoke. But this time around, I doubled it and I added stay to give it a little bit of stamina. By the time I was joining them together, I was like, this is not bad. After joining all the pieces together, creating the bridal hairstyle was still a bit difficult, even with the added stay. But eventually, I was able to pull it off. The end result was actually worth the struggle. What do you guys think? Let me know if you're going to rock an Ankara paper hair Gele style for your event. Let me know in the comment section. And if you are seeing my video for the first time, my name is Rhoda. I'm a Gele stylist, a bead maker, an Ashoke vendor, and a video editor. It's so nice to meet you. Don't forget to subscribe and let me know what you think about the final outcome. For bookings and inquiries, you can send me a direct message on my social media platforms, Smiles Creation, on both TikTok and Instagram. And if you want to chat me up, send me a WhatsApp message via the link in my Instagram bio. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.